Living in Loves Park means experiencing a little bit of everything: warm summers, chilly winters, and unpredictable rain and wind throughout the year. While this variety brings beauty to the seasons, it also creates challenges for homeowners when it comes to maintaining comfort and protecting their properties. One area often overlooked in weatherproofing is the door, your home's first line of defense against the elements. Upgrading to weather-resistant doors is one of the smartest investments you can make for your Loves Park home. These modern doors are designed to handle moisture, temperature fluctuations, and drafts, keeping your home safe, energy efficient, and comfortable all year long. Here's why weather-resistant doors are essential for homeowners in Loves Park and how they can make a lasting difference. Why weather resistance matters in Loves Park. Loves Park's climate brings a mix of hot, humid summers and cold, snowy winters, both of which can take a toll on your home's exterior. Standard doors made of traditional wood or low-grade materials often warp, crack, or swell when exposed to moisture and temperature shifts. These small changes can lead to air leaks that raise your heating and cooling costs, water intrusion that causes wood rot and mold, difficulty opening and closing doors due to frame warping, a decrease in your home's overall insulation and comfort. Weather-resistant doors are built to prevent these problems. Made with durable, high-performance materials, they maintain their structure and seal even in the face of Loves Park's harsh seasonal transitions. Materials that stand up to every season. When it comes to protecting your home, the right material makes all the difference. Today's weather-resistant doors are available in a variety of options to match your home's style and needs. Fiberglass doors. Highly durable and low maintenance, fiberglass resists warping, rust, and moisture damage. It also mimics the look of wood, offering beauty with long-term protection. Steel doors. Perfect for homeowners seeking extra security and resilience. Steel doors have foam insulation cores that keep indoor temperatures consistent, even during freezing winters. Vinyl and composite doors. These offer excellent weather resistance and energy efficiency, making them ideal for areas that experience heavy rain or humidity. Each material is engineered to provide superior insulation and minimal maintenance, ensuring your door looks great and performs well no matter the season. The energy efficiency advantage. Energy efficiency is another key benefit of weather-resistant doors. Loves Park homeowners know how costly it can be to run the furnace in winter or the air conditioner in summer. Gaps or poorly sealed doors let valuable conditioned air escape, meaning your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature. Weather-resistant doors are designed with insulated cores, tight-fitting seals, and advanced weather stripping that prevent air leakage. This not only keeps your home cozier but also helps lower your monthly energy bills. Over time, your investment pays for itself in energy savings and enhanced comfort. Added protection against moisture and mold. Moisture is one of the biggest threats to your home's longevity, especially during spring rains or snowy winters. A weather-resistant door forms a strong barrier against water infiltration, helping to prevent mold growth and wood rot around the entryway. By keeping moisture outside where it belongs, these doors safeguard your home's structure and reduce maintenance needs. Many models also come with protective finishes and UV-resistant coatings to guard against fading, cracking, and peeling caused by sun exposure. Enhanced curb appeal and durability. A weather-resistant door doesn't just protect your home, it enhances its beauty. With a wide range of designs, colors, and finishes, you can choose a style that complements your home's architecture while boosting curb appeal. From classic paneled designs to modern glass inserts, these doors offer timeless looks that resist wear and tear. Because they're built to last, you'll enjoy long-lasting elegance without the frequent repainting or refinishing that traditional doors require. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best weather-resistant door can underperform if it's not installed properly. A tight, precise fit ensures that your door's insulation and sealing work as intended. Working with professional installers in Loves Park guarantees a secure installation, proper alignment, and lasting protection. Local experts understand the area's weather challenges and can recommend the ideal materials and sealing techniques for your home. Final thoughts: with Love's Park's ever-changing climate, investing in weather-resistant doors is one of the best ways to protect your home and improve daily comfort. These doors combine durability, efficiency, and style, ensuring your home stays cozy in winter, cool in summer, and beautiful year-round. If your current doors are drafty, aging, or difficult to maintain, now's the perfect time to upgrade. A weather-resistant door not only shields your home from the elements but also adds lasting value and peace of mind, no matter what the Midwest weather brings.